Hello and welcome to the Microsoft Excel course. We are so honored and privileged that you are here. This is Mr. Wata Jeremiah from Shumba Training Center Limited, and the purpose of this video is just to explain to you a few things regarding the Microsoft Excel course. This course is going to be completely online, and it is a powerful course that you're going to learn in this modern day age. Let me talk to you about the course content. So this course is divided into three sections. The first section is the beginner section. And the beginner section has topics like the following. We have introduction to Excel. This is where we're going to understand what Excel is and what Excel can do. We're going to understand how to start Excel. We're going to understand the Excel interface so that we can know our way around Excel. We are going to get familiar with the Excel workbook, worksheets. We're going to explain the ribbon, and we shall explore how to save Excel spreadsheets. In addition to that, we shall move on and look at Excel basics. This is where we shall learn how to enter cells, how to do cell referencing, that is relative and absolute cell referencing. We shall learn how to enter a formula in Excel. We shall also learn things like the order of operation. We shall learn date serial numbers. In addition, we shall move on and look at sheets, rows, and columns. This is where we're going to learn things like copying and dragging data, working with rows and columns, and working with sheets. The next thing we're going to look at is functions, ranges, and shortcuts. We are going to explore functions in Excel. We shall look at the sum function. We shall look at copy and drag formula. We shall look at more basic functions. We shall look at named ranges, names, constants, and formulas. We shall look at shortcuts and more shortcuts in Excel for more advanced productivity. Moving on, in the intermediate section, we shall look at the first thing we're going to look at is formatting and conditional formatting. Under this one, we shall look at how to format fonts, how to format alignment, how to format borders, how to format numbers. Next, we shall look at printing. This is where we shall look at how to print icons, shapes, and formatting, how to print page layout, how to print headers and footers in Excel. We shall move on and look at managing data. This is where we shall look at how to sort data, filtering data, how we can use tables, how we can use text to columns, how we are going to look at flash fill, we are going to look at data validation, group and outline, as well as freeze pens. These are some of the things we shall cover under managing data. The next thing we shall look at is advanced functions and formulas. Here we're going to look at relative and absolute cell referencing. We shall look at VLOOKUP, the index and match function, the if statement, the nested if statement. We shall look at count ifs, some ifs. We're going to look at the len function. We're going to look at right, left, and mid function. We shall look at the search function. We shall also look at common error types as well as the if error function. So those are some of the things that we shall cover under advanced functions and formulas. In the advanced section, we shall look at charts. Here, we're going to look at chart basics, chart series, and column charts. We're going to look at bar charts, pie charts, and composite charts. Next, we shall look at pivot tables, Power Query, and dashboards. We are going to have introduction to Power Query consolidation, pivot tables, setting up a pivot table field settings, pivot table calculated fields, pivot table groupings, pivot table slicers and timelines, and we shall look at dashboards part 1 and dashboards part 2. So this is very important for the advanced section of the course. Moving on, we shall look at macros. First, we shall ask ourselves, what is a macro? We shall learn how to record a macro and how we can use relative and absolute macros in Excel. This is very important. If you are going to automate your tasks in Excel, you can use macros. We shall go on in the course and look at VBE and VBA. We shall have an introduction to VBE. We shall look at object model, module worksheet classes. We shall look at variables and constants. We shall also look at VBA formatting, the if statement, select case, for loop, do while, do until loop, for each loop, errors, and we shall consolidate the whole course by concluding the entire course that is going to be covered. So in a nutshell, this is what you're going to learn in this course. As you can see, this course is complete. It is beginning from beginner section and then it goes to intermediate, and then it goes to advanced. It is divided into 3 sections: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. So I highly encourage you and I highly recommend this course to you because it is fully packed. Everything you need is going to be covered in this course. Whether you are in the finance world, whether you are in the scientific world, whether you are an educational person, or in any industry that you may find yourself in, this is the perfect course for you. Now, let's look at the benefits of enrolling in this course. The first benefit is that it's going to ensure that you have improved productivity. Now, by learning how to use Excel effectively, you can increase your productivity and efficiency in managing data, creating reports, and performing calculations in Excel. You can also have career advancement, whereby Excel is an essential tool for many jobs and many industries, and having strong Excel skills can make you more valuable in the employment sectors and increase your chances of career advancement. It is also going to help you to make a better decisions. Now, Excel can help you organize and analyze your data, enabling you to make informed decisions based on accurate and reliable information after you do your data analysis in Excel. It is also powerful for improved communication. Excel can help you create clear and concise reports, charts, and graphs to communicate effectively to your colleagues and to your clients as well as your stakeholders. Now, Excel is also time saving. It can automate repetitive tasks such as data entry and calculations, thereby saving you a lot of time and effort. This is the power of Excel, and these are the benefits of why you should choose to enroll in this course. Now, by the end of this course, you are going to be able to do the following: to input data and navigate through large spreadsheets. You're also going to be able to get Excel tips to get your work done faster. You will be able to choose the right Excel formula and function for data analysis. You'll also be able to use Excel features to transform your raw data into meaningful reports. At the end of this course, you're going to learn how to organize and manage large amounts of data. You will be able to create interesting reports and impress everyone that is working with you in your industry. Excel, you'll be able to use Excel tables. You'll be able to use sorting, filtering, conditional formatting, pivot tables, data validation, Excel protection, and so many features you'll be able to know at the end of this course. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead now and register in this course. Now, what is the learning mode? How are the lessons going to be delivered? Well, the lessons in this course are going to be delivered in form of pre-recorded video lectures. You will be able to watch these video lectures at your own convenient time through our robust system that we're using, which is our e-learning system powered by Moodle LMS. This is where you're going to be learning from. So all the lessons are going to be tailored to meet your own schedule. You will not be required to be online at a certain time. You will be able to log in at your own convenient time and schedule to follow through the lessons whenever you are ready. You also, let's look at the duration of this course. So this course has a duration of 3 weeks. But since the lessons are recorded, you can learn at your own convenient time, meaning that you can take more than 3 weeks or even less than 3 weeks, depending on how quick you are going to learn. At the end of this course, you are going to get a certificate that's going to upgrade your CV, and you can use that certificate to look for employment or to seek for promotion in your work industry. So this is why you need to register for this course now before this course expires. So thank you very much. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the course, and we can get started in learning about Excel together in this course. See you in class. Remember, my name is Mr. Walter Jeremiah, and this is Shumba Training Center Limited. We cannot wait to see you in class. Thank you very much, and bye-bye.